steady recurring income and cash flow of $6 to $7 million to the group annually. Prudential Tower marks the group's first major venture into commercial property investment in the Central Business District, a move that bodes well for its future forays in this arena. Lian Beng has also ventured into property development in Australia, China, and Malaysia, and it hopes to contribute positively. As a construction conglomerate, Lian Beng has expanded its business to include 4 main segments. These are construction, property development, construction-related businesses, which includes engineering and leasing of construction machinery, supply of RMC and asphalt, and investment holdings, which includes property investment and recurring incomes. As at 31st May 2015, Lian Beng's construction order book stood at about $0.6 billion, which will provide it with sustainable flow of activities through financial year 2017. The contribution from its second dormitory project, Westlight, at Papan, will start next year. With all this in place, Lian Beng's future certainly looks bright. However, even with the brightest of companies, challenges are inevitable. One of the obstacles Lian Beng faced was dealing with the price fluctuations of construction materials such as sand, granite, and steel bars.
The 97 Asian financial crisis badly affected the economies of the region. However, we did not lay low. Instead, we make use of this opportunity to expand and acquire companies that complement our construction business.
Complementing its measures to control construction material supply, Lian Beng purchased 3 tugboats and 4 barges, and it is in the process of beefing up its resource transportation capability with an additional 4 tugboats and 4 barges. Another challenge that Lian Beng has faced in recent years was the government cooling measures on the residential property market. To cope with such a challenge, Lian Beng opened new income streams and to broaden recurring income through expansion into new business segments. An example of this would be its expansion into the dormitory business. The revenue from the dormitory businesses grew significantly to $22.4 million in revenue, as the group's first dormitory was fully completed and operated for a full 12 months in financial year 2015. Westlife Mandai Dormitory was officially opened in April 2014 with a capacity of about 6,290 beds. This investment is part of Lian Beng's vision to develop quality workers' accommodation with comprehensive facilities to meet continued demands. At Westlight Mandai, residents can enjoy facilities such as free Wi-Fi internet access, media and game rooms, canteen, gymnasium, outdoor courts for soccer and cricket batting, as well as a 24-hour mini-mart stocked with local and imported food from the home countries of the residents.
One of the most important lessons we learned in this business is that it is necessary for Lian Beng to have multiple sources of income, whether it be in construction, property investment such as rental or dormitory operation, which is recurring in nature. These multiple sources of income can better insulate us from any downturn in a particular sector.
The increasing foreign worker levy and lower dependency ratio ceilings contributed to higher labor costs and tighter labor supply. This poses yet another challenge to Lian Beng. It has helped to cope by introducing various initiatives to improve productivity and reduce reliance on workers. It introduced the use of automatic sweepers to clean the floors of finished units. Automated wheel washers replaced the need to have workers clean the wheels of trucks before they exit work sites. It also used safety parameter screen and system formworks to build Westlight Mandai Dormitory.
The property market in Singapore is likely to remain subdued following the series of property market cooling measures by the government. The company continues to grow its core business and seeks opportunities beyond Singapore. We have successfully joint ventured with our business partners in China, Malaysia, Australia, and UK in many property developments.
Lian Beng has proven its ability to deal with hiccups along the way. With such a strong vision towards the future, Lian Beng looks set to shine. After the break, we take a look at Lian Beng's plans to make its mark on the world map. Stay with us. Welcome back to Global Enterprise. Lian Beng Group Limited is Singapore's major construction and building company with integrated building and construction support service capabilities. Over the years, the company has built itself up steadily with even bigger plans in the pipeline.
International expansion is part of our business strategy. Besides joint venture in China, recently we have acquired a commercial building in Melbourne, wholly owned by us, and we have planned to retain it for rental income. Co-developing a residential project in Malacca. In Leeds, UK, we participated in another joint venture for a property development project.
Lian Beng Group has grown from a sole proprietorship to a listed company with market cap about $253 million. To date, it has completed more than 150 projects, 20,000 units of homes with total contract value of more than $3.5 billion. In recognition of its varied achievements, Lian Beng has won numerous awards, the most outstanding of which are the BCA Construction Excellence Award for Ritz-Carlton Residences, the 2012 Forbes Asia 200 Best Under $1 Billion Award, and the 2014 International Construction Award by the Global Trade Leaders Club. This year, the group won the BCA Quality Excellence Award Gold 2015 as a builder, and its subsidiary, Lian Beng Construction 1988 Private Limited, won the BCA Construction Excellence Award Merit 2015 for the water bank at Dakota project. Lian Beng also remains committed to environmentally conscious practices.
In the early years of green initiative by the government, Lian Beng were already adopting recycling, monitoring of resources at various project sites, example like water, electricity, metal formwork usage, and many others. And many of our staff were already sent to seminars and also invited for discussion on environment with the various agencies, especially BCA. And when the training became available, we just tagged on it. When these awards were implemented, it was natural for Lian Beng to have BCA assess the already in place practices of the company. And Lian Beng firmly believe that by going environmentally friendly, it will enhance the company's reputation as a better builder and improve its bottom line. And we remain committed to recycling and using of material that can recycle, like aluminium formwork, solar panel to generate power, reducing emission pollutant by using machines that are better or well maintained.
In 2011, Lian Beng also received the runner-up award for the Most Transparent Company Award in the construction category in the 12th Securities Investment Association Singapore Investors' Choice Awards 2011. Caring for society and giving back to others has always been second nature to the company. Lian Beng proactively engages in community and charity activities. In 2013, in commemoration of its 40th anniversary, the entire company management and staff took part in a fundraising for several old folks' homes through the sales of lanterns. The company matched dollar for dollar for the funds raised. The company also sponsors the building of homes in remote parts of Cambodia. As part of the Indian Ocean tsunami relief effort, Lian Beng was commissioned to design and build 600 single-story housing units in the Maldives. As a responsible employer, Lian Beng remains deeply committed to enhancing the professional development and personal growth of their staff.
In the construction industry, safety is very important. To ensure safety procedures are in place and here too, the staff is sent for safety training to raise their safety consciousness as well as familiar themselves with safety processes. This has helped to keep the workplace incidences to a minimum, and in the year 2013, we have about 20% of the workforce going through safety training, and the others about 60%, the other training. In 2014, we have safety training at 50%, the others at also equally 50%. And 2015, the safety training maintained at 50%, whereas the others went up to 80% because of the productivity emphasis by the government.